Everyone, this is Cindy Crane the Heart, and I'm back to just do a really quick share of quick and easy gifts and packaging. So this is, I think in my last video, I shared these journals, how to make them. They're super, super easy to make. Really, really cute. You could use any kind of focal image that you want. But these little banners that you could buy from Amazon are adorable. So this is just how I'm packaging them up. I actually have these clear bags. And so I made a bunch for my daughter, for her friends, and I decided to just make a few for work. I'll probably give these to the secretaries and just little tiny gifts that I can just give really easily. And so I use the pom-pom trim to decorate some of them. I use the lace to decorate some of them. And then they just have this vintage sort of like elegant kind of look about them. And then I used this, I don't even know what you call it, but this pleated trim. It's a pleated trim. And so they're just adorable. So I have all of these. I don't even know if I'm going to give them all out or not, but I have them ready to go as an additional gift. The other thing is I had seen on La Land Crafts, she's doing, I think, a 24 days of Christmas. So I think there's 12 days on her YouTube channel, and then they do 12 days on the blog for La Land Crafts. And I can't remember if it's day 1 or day 2. It's one of the earlier days. She made this box, and I just knew that if I made this box, it would fit one of the 3-wick candle. It would fit the 3-wick candle from Bed Bath & Beyond. I think it's also like White Barn, I think. But yeah, it totally fits, like perfect. It was like made for it. So mine is slightly wonky. I usually find that the first time I make one of these boxes, it always doesn't fit quite right. And then the second time I make it, I know that I need to really give myself a little bit more space, either in the box or in the top of the box. And so in this case, the top of the box, I need just an eighth of an inch around just to kind of give it a little extra breathing room. But it's super cute. I love how it came out. I used Not Too Shabby shop paper for this because I had it out. And what else did I use? So Not Too Shabby shop paper. Oh, and I used the brand new ephemera of the subscription box of the month for Not Too Shabby. So I just used, because there's like foxes and deers on this paper. So I just think it looks really cute. Really simple. I didn't really want to do anything too fancy, but it's an explosion box. So when you take the lid off, it opens like that. And this candle totally fits in this box. This giant 3-wick candle fits. Like, it's made for this box. It is absolutely made for this box. So if you're looking for a way to package up your 3-wick candles to give as gifts, this box is totally rockin' way to go. See what I mean? It's like, needs a little bit of extra room. I just kind of have to squish it on there. Squish it on there. But it is adorable. Like I said, my box is a little tiny bit wonky, but that's okay. I'm giving this to the secretary at work, and I just thought, what a cute way to package it up. And now it is not like a super sturdy box. You should hold it from the bottom for sure. I mean, it's just put together by cardstock and glue, but it's really cute. I love the windows on it. It's super easy to make, and you know, you could use it for any occasion. So birthday or whatever, I think would be great too if you're going to give a gift. But so these are just some gift giving ideas. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy Crane the Heart.